Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make mango kuchla. So let's get started. I've got here 6 mangoes which I have peeled and grated. I'm using semi-ripe mangoes for this recipe. Semi-ripe mangoes is where the flesh has just started to change color, or you can always use green mangoes if you like. 1/4 cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or raw sugar, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, pinch of hing or asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, or you can always add it according to your taste, and 2 tablespoons of ready pickle mix. This is what it looks like. You can get it from any Indian shop. And you will also need a grater with big holes and a strainer or a colander and a dish. Take your grated mangoes, add salt and turmeric and mix it well. Take a strainer with a dish. Tip the grated mangoes into the strainer. Use the back of a spoon and press it down to squeeze out as much juice as possible. Put the strainer back on the dish and let it sit for 4 to 6 hours to drain or overnight. My mangoes have been draining overnight. As you can see, a lot of juice has come out. Now take the drained mangoes, put it on a plate, spread it evenly and put it in the sun to dry for 2 hours, giving it a mix every now and then. After 2 hours, bring the plate inside, put them in a big dish, add pickle mix, give it a quick mix and put it aside while we get our oil ready. Take a non-stick fry pan, put it on low heat, add oil and heat it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, add your mustard seeds and your asafoetida or hing. Give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, add sugar and cook it for 2 minutes or until the sugar crystals have melted, stirring it continuously. My sugar crystals have melted and it has got a nice dark caramel color. Turn the heat off and add it to the grated mangoes and mix it well to combine. My mango kuchla is ready. Put it in a sealed container and enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.